So basically the web development, I'm going to show you the two projects. One project is under the Python Django framework. Django is the one of the popular web framework of Python, and another project is using the React and Node. So this Django project is completely developed in a single application. There is no front end back end concept, but in here React and Node. So this project is the front end is developed under the React and back end is developed under the Node.js. And the database which are used in here, the MySQL, and here we use the database as a SQLite. So these are the two demos. So first see the Python Django projects, which is a e-commerce type application. Okay, so this application is already running. So see, this is my VS Code and the server is already running, and these are the application code. Okay, so first go through this website, how this website is work it. So this is one of the e-commerce type application. So first the login registration menus are there. Some products are here, some categories. Okay, milk, curd, ghee. So this is a dairy shop e-commerce type projects. Okay, so when we select the milk or any category, so they have the some products under to that the category. On left hand side there is some filter to filter out the product with respect to name. We have an option to add some more filters like the price and other filters already you have seen in some of the other e-commerce type application. Okay, so before go to the proceed, we need to log in to this website. So in that the login, registration, forget password, create account. So we already do the some authentication and authorization concepts. Okay, means that without login you can't access the any valid page. Like for example, I am just login here one of the user. So once the user is login, okay, and they want to go to the cart, how many items are under the cart? So we have already added some items under the cart. Okay, so these are the URL. This is the URL localhost 8000/cart. So for example, I'm log out this website. Okay, and I'm directly access the web page by hitting this the URL cart. And when you enter it, this page is automatically redirect to the login page. Means that without login, you can't access the other pages. Okay, so that's why login is very compulsory. So authentication is written to each and every routes. So again, I am the successfully login to this the site. So then we got the some multiple options. Like here we got the some multiple categories. Okay, so when we go to here, click on any product. So we have option add to cart, directly buy now. Then this is the button to wish list this item. Okay, so this is the wish list and this is the cart option. So in wish list there are two products, and in cart there are three products. Again we have option to plus minus the quantity. Here the some Ajax concept is used, which is related to jQuery. Okay, under the JavaScript. Then this is 2, 3, whatever quantity is selected, accordingly the price is changed. And this is the place order. Then on time of ordering, then we need to select the address. Okay, so address section is here under the profile. So here we already added the two addresses. If you want to add some more addresses, this is the page. Update address, this is the page. Okay, then I'm just placing this order by selecting any one address and payment. So here the payment integration is also integrated. This is the Razorpay payment integration. So why we choose the Razorpay? Because in India, UPI payment, card payment, net banking. So all these options are available under the Razorpay. And if you want to do the international payment, then PayPal is also integrated under the Razorpay. So by using Razorpay, you can do all kind of a transaction, including the domestic as well as international. So that's why we choose the PayPal payment integration. So after the successful of payment, then order is placed. I'm just canceling now. So once the order is placed, then you will get the notification like this one, like your order is delivered, this order status is pending, like that. And we have one more Django dashboard. So this is the dashboard. In that dashboard, this dashboard is only accessible by admin. Admin see all kinds of card products, all types of customers, all types of order placed, all types of payments. Either the payment is paid or fail. Then this is the some payment information like payment ID, order ID. So these are the products. If the admin want to change the any price, then he directly go to that specific product, change the any price, description, image, category. Okay. For example, want to add some more product. Here is button add product to add the new product. So admin have the all the access. This is the one of the dashboard which already designed, and this is the customer oriented application. Okay, so this project, e-commerce project, is developed by the Python using Django framework. So in that Django, there is no front end back end concept. Entire application developed by the Django. For the front end UI design, we use the HTML, CSS, and Boot. Database side, we use the SQLite database. SQLite is a very lightweight database and which is directly supported by Django without doing any configuration. This is by default configuration is already done. But if you want to choose the MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, you can do it. Okay, I will guide you how to configure the database. So for this project, that's it. This is another project, React and Node. Okay, by using the MySQL. So React, why we use the React? React is a front-end framework and Node is a back-end framework. So meaning is that all the UI related part, design as well as design implementation is done by React, and all the back-end part means that fetching the data from database, then implementing the some CRUD operation like create, insert, update, delete, all those APIs is written under the Node.js. So Node.js and React.js both are the framework of JavaScript. Okay, so Node is a totally different project. React is totally different projects, and two different projects is internally connected by using the APIs. Okay, so here you need to you will learn about the RESTful APIs as well as implementation the APIs into the React.js. In React.js, we also use some of the extra libraries like the Toastify and other libraries are also, I will show you. And here we use the database MySQL. So see here, I already run the React project in here. This is a NGO type website. Okay, in NGO type website, this is the login page. Let me check is the server is running. Yeah, it's running. So there are two types of a login. One is the donor login, one is the NGO login. Okay, let me show you first NGO login. So see, this is a login success. So this is the Toastify message. Okay, and this is the dashboard. According to the values, this graph is dynamically changed. Then whatever event is created, so NGO add the some event, how many donors are there, how many volunteers are there, and then how the campaigns is added in here, how much fundings, all the funding records are here. Then if there is any career opportunity, then NGO admin add here the career opportunity. This is the form actually. Title, description, posted date, like that. So this is a profile section. Okay, so this is a dashboard, NGO dashboard. So whatever the NGO is entered, all this information, it is affected to the user. So let me show you the user. User means that which is a donor. So here donor is able to see all kinds of event, and if the user is interested to participate it, so you just click on that participate. Then that participate is already applied, so that's why it shows that kind of a message in here, warning message. Then donor, so how much amount is donated to the NGO. So this is the list. This is the volunteer campaign. So like that, all this functionality is written by using the front end and back end framework. This is the MySQL database which used. So these are the tables, okay, like the campaign table, then campaign user pay table, okay, and this is the backend framework folder and the front end folder. So like that, you can also divide the your web application into the front end and the backend framework. This is just for the demo how the web application is developed by using the two ways. But if you want to develop the web application in different platform, like anyone want to choose the backend is under the Spring Boot, which is under the Java, right? Then we can also help to you. For example, if the anyone is interested to develop the API in web API, okay, which is under the .NET, then we can also ready to help to you. This is Java, okay. Then Laravel, which is under PHP, okay. And if anyone want to replace the front end framework except React, you can also available to choose the AngularJS and any other backend framework, either Node, Spring, Web API, Laravel, it's okay. So this project is under the front end and backend framework, okay. And you can choose any database, MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, MongoDB as well, okay. And if you want to write the entire application in a single language, then we have option Django. If you want to write the application, complete application in .NET MVC, in Spring MVC, then we are ready to guide you. So that's it for my side.
Yeah. Anyone had any question? Whatever should be. It should be a good question, it should be a bad question, no problem. It's an open discussion, right? Anuja, Shubham, Vaishali, so Gayatri joined right now. Yeah. Anyone had any question? Yeah, Ayush, you understood what we
No, sir.
yeah, what we are
Hi,
expecting?
Pawan.
Yes, Shiva.
I am Shiva. So, will we be continuing with the same project, or will we be working on some new project?
We are going to work with a new project. With
So
you,
this,
that idea is from you only. We had given you a just example, like in this manner we required a project, so that you can
Is
so that what I can say, you decide your own project. We will make a group of 2 or 3 people, so that what happen, it's easy for you to work, and you can divide the work. So here both the qualities you can develop. One is as a leader, one is a developer, one is like a designer, and after that testing and all those things you are going to do. After the completing this internship, you will get a certificate, and that certificate will be going to matter while you are working with miss when you are appearing for the interviews in the company, right? Are you getting my point?
okay, boss.
Yep. Not boss. I'm Pawan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mr. Pawan.
Yeah. So, Kale Sahib, I'm sorry. It's a normal discussion. We will. Yeah, Roshni, do you have any question? Anyone had any question?
No.
Nothing. Okay. So yeah, I would like to tell you just simple terms again, which you people have to know about this. So first of all, about the technology, about the like a simple what we are. First of all, we are KK Technical Solutions, and why we choose engineering as a career. I know the reason why you choose the engineering as a career. Any question? Any answer? Do you know why you choose engineering as a career, or you don't know? Or MCA, BCA, BCS? Why you choose? There will be some reason, right? What will be the reason? After completing your graduation, or M.Tech, MCA, whatever. What do you want to do? As per my knowledge, I saw that this is a kind of a result which we got it. Because while I'm going to take the interview, or when I'm going any one of the college, and while I'm going to take the interviews, that time I'm going to find out this thing, that 94% engineering graduates are not fit for hiring. Then where I will get a job? Because motto behind this training is to get the job. Am I right? How to become a more employable? What do you mean by career? What is the use of career, or why just only education is help you? Whether education is going to help you only? No, you should require some sort of a skill, and only skill and education doesn't make any sense without vision. Because of coronavirus, you can find out there is a too much slowdown in the market. But yeah, after the corona, you can see that market came very miss fastly. Miss it went up, but the because of some Ukraine war, and there was some sort of bankrupt was going to happen. Switzerland bank and US bank. So there are two banks which was because of them again there is a slowdown in the market. This is the employability matrix which I found, and I'm just going to find out that while even you are doing some sort of a Tech or MBA or MCA, BCA, so all other people from other background also going to work in the software industry. Are you agree? As you are going to see that there are so many problems you are around you, but problems can become opportunities when the right people come together, right? So now stand up, be bold, be strong. You are the creator of your own destiny, right? What are the different types of companies are available at this moment in the market, and where we are going to use this web development, or I can say front end and back end development? So you can see that there are product based company, there are service based company, and there are some sort of a internet based company, right? So these companies are working in the market where I will get opportunity. So these are the area where I will get the opportunity, right? Platform, digital media that came into market, and it is like growing very fastly. E-commerce, obviously e-commerce is there. Social media is also there, which is going to be used for advertising some sort of thing, and gaming and animation. So these are the area where you will get opportunity. I don't want to repeat about the services company and product based company. You know more than me. So that's it from my end.